time for your little manicure. You ready? Look, you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you helping me? Are you helping me with your manicure? Hi, baby. You're stopping it with your little fingers. See, if I put it on your fingers, it doesn't hurt. See, look, it's painless. You like that? It doesn't hurt, does it? It's exciting. I know there's a light, and I'm trying to trim your little fingers. Are you helping me? Are you helping me with it? They're coming out nicely. Aubrey, look at that. Look at this. Look at your fingers. Do you want to see your fingers? Ooh, look at that rough little finger. Can I make you see? Can I make you see? This is exciting. Where is Aubrey Mullen? How exciting is this? You're getting your fingers all pretty. I'm gonna steal a kiss. I'm gonna steal a. I'm gonna steal an Eskimo. I'm coming in. Do you want to see it? Look, what's your thing? You like it? That's what we use to cut your nails, baby. This is for your nails. We use this to trim your beautiful little nails so you don't scratch your little nose. Look at it, Aubrey. So that's off now. Now, are you ready for this hand? And maybe your toes. What do you think? Good job. I need a kiss for that. Mwah. I get a little kissy. A little kissy, 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 kissy. All right, so we're gonna do this hand. Now it's time for the other hand. Are you excited? You want to sit up a little? Would you like to sit up so you can see it? You can see it. Look, you can check it out. You can watch me cut your nail. You can sit up here, and then I'll set you up so you can see it. Do you want to see? There we go. Can you see a little bit better? Does that work for you? Let's see if we can finish. Can we finish today? That's the challenge. Look, you want to look at it? Look, Aubrey, look. See, look, this is how I cut your nails, baby. This is how I cut your little nails. We are almost finished. We are almost finished. We have a wiggly finger. We have a wiggly, 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 wiggly. And then lastly, Miss Aubrey, we have a hanging cuticle. Ta-da! Look at those pretty little fingers. Oh my goodness, good job. Good job.